Hi everyone. Today we have with us Raman. She was one of our students. She trained with us for OET and she's reached the UK. In fact, she completed a year being in the UK as a registered nurse recently. And we have her here so that she could share her experience, the whole journey from OET to being a nurse there. So, yeah, over to you, Raman. How does it feel and how did it all start and what's your experience?
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm not nice to see you again. It's been
I'm
one
so
year
happy
I
to see
didn't
you.
contact with
Right.
you. So many things too. The first year is a lot of struggles.
Mhm.
When you come here, you don't know anything,
Mhm.
and also like it's been one year. Like yesterday, I completed 1 year here, and I know I completed so many. The steps like OSCE first, and then. And 6 months I was on induction period here in hospital. And today I'm honored that you selected me as to inspire others. And it was a wonderful journey, as I was one of your students. And it's nice to have you all lovely teachers who inspired me. And I also did a lot of hard work, and it's nothing comes easy. We have to do hard work. And I remember those days when I was a student sitting there in Khaira Education. And it's been like um, you know it was full of struggles, I can say. And I want to thank everyone, Khaira Education, the whole team. And first of all, Gurleen ma'am. And I remember first time I contacted Gurleen ma'am when I was starting my OET journey. And then ma'am was very nice with me. And all teachers are very nice. And I think when I first started, I was working as a nurse in Fortis Hospital, Chandigarh. And uh, and then and then I was used to do training alongside the work. And I can say I have no words, and I can say it's one of the best institute. If if someone wants to go abroad and work, as a medical professional, I can say. Um, and I know, like most of the doctors and nurses take training from the institute, and they work as a nurse and doctors like globally. And yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Um, yeah, and anything you want to ask me, anything in personal, like anything.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, your story's been quite inspirational. I know you
Yeah,
struggled quite a lot initially, but then you've made it. Any
yeah.
subtests that particularly was challenging for you, Raman?
I'm sorry, I can't understand.
Any subtest that was challenging for you during your
Oh,
preparation
okay.
for OET?
Oh yeah, I think every subtest is challenging, and there are lots of things that we have to remember. And I can say, the writing has been very easy for me. Like, as you taught me a lot, like how to write sentences, how to do complex sentences, and how to say things in brief.
Mhm.
And like, yeah, like in one sentence you have to say a lot.
Right.
And yeah, and then writing, and then reading was Sani ma'am. She was very lovely, and then she helped me, like how to pay attention during reading. You need to be concentrate on, like, focus everything. You need to focus full on
Mhm.
the reading. And there's limited time to complete all the tasks there. And then listening is like, you know in here, I can say, when I hear people, like, British people, they say, like, they speak a British language, they're native speakers. Sometime initially I had like a difficulty in understanding their accents. They say like half word, we can't really understand. we used to speak like full sentences, full words, and they speak like half. And they, if they're like old age, like 90 years, they're just mumbling, and there is yeah, and it's just worse. Initially I had some difficulty in understanding their conversations, and now I start understanding it. Now when I see their face, I just like, I can understand what they want to say. you know but things changed. But in hospital, we can say, in hospital, the patient's feelings are same everywhere, emotions are same everywhere. We can't There's no difference in emotions. So yeah, and I love my profession. It was the first step when I started OET in Khaira Education. It was like very wise decision for me, and I hope for everyone. And
And yeah, I'm
and
sure you
everyone,
mentioned that the
yeah,
emotions are same the everywhere, and I am
yeah,
sure that you're very good at understanding everyone else's
yeah,
emotions and taking care of them. And
yeah,
I'm sure you're an excellent nurse. We are so proud of your success, and we are so proud of what you're doing now. That's
yeah.
great. Many congratulations to you for achieving what you wanted.
Thanks. Yeah. When I first started OET, like in September 2022, I think. No, sorry, 2021. I started in September 2021, and then, but that time I was working as a nurse, so I didn't much concentrate on my study that time. And then I think 3 or 4 months in December, I did resign from my hospital. Like till December, I was working and studying everything, and I didn't give much concentration on my studies. And then when I gave resign from my work, like in December, and then I used to do online coaching at my home from January, and then I gave exam in February, and then I started my process in, I think, the end of March, I think. Yeah. And then I came here at September. Yeah. And September 8th, September, like March, 4 5 months, I think it took me to come here. And then when I came here, I was used to work as a band 4 first, and then I had to do my OSCE. And then they gave me training for OSCE, like 2 months, I think. And then I gave exam in in last week of October, and then I passed. Very next day, results came, and then I passed OSCE. It was a lovely experience, and now I'm just proud to be myself. When you are across country, and you're representing all your, you're representing your India, not like where you coming from. You're representing whole country. And when people ask like, where you from, I say India. I can't say like I'm from Punjab or like this is this. And they just recognize us Indians here. Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm
I
sure you
recommend
must be
everyone.
making,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm
Mhm.
sorry for interrupting. I'm sure you're making the whole country proud with your success in the UK.
Yeah. One day, one British person, he said, Raman, you are very confident in like what you are doing here. You are very confident. And I'm very proud to myself. Like, oh my God. And that's why I love my profession. Like in India, we're not like we're not taking, the people are not giving respect as much like they should give to nurses. Like here, it doesn't matter, like it doesn't matter how much you're earning. When people give respect, and when they praising you in front of others, like it's very, no, nothing can like compare that one. The feeling.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm sure. That's lovely to know, Raman. It was lovely interacting with you. And
yeah.
thank you very much for giving the time and interacting with us. All the very best for your journey in the future. I'm
Thanks.
sure you'll keep growing and be bright. Thank you very much.
And thanks for giving me an opportunity to inspire others. And I need to, sorry. I recommend everyone, like, if you want to achieve your dreams, and everyone wants to work as a medical professional in another country like UK, New Zealand, Australia, like in any country, they need to take training from Khaira Education, and as they given wings to my dream as well. So I hope everyone can achieve their dreams. Everyone can get wings from the institute to fly everywhere. Yeah,
Lovely, lovely. Thank you very much, Raman. Thank you, lovely.
no
I
worries.
mean, it was lovely interacting with you. Thank you very much.
No worries.